In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the PHP version and limits on A2 hosting. If you're managing your website and need to update the PHP settings, you'll find this guide incredibly useful. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log into your A2 hosting client portal. This is the central hub for managing your hosting account, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open cPanel by clicking on the Login to cPanel option. cPanel is a user-friendly interface that makes managing your website's backend a breeze. After successfully accessing the cPanel, you'll want to scroll down to the Software section. This is where you can make adjustments to the technical aspects of your hosting environment. Look for the option that says Select PHP version and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you will see your current PHP version displayed. Now you'll notice a drop-down menu on this page. Click on it to view a list of available PHP versions. Go ahead and choose the version you desire, for example, PHP 8.2, or whichever version suits your website's needs. Once you've made your selection, click on Set as Current to apply the changes. It's a simple click, but it's crucial as it ensures your website is running on the selected PHP version. With your PHP version updated, the next step is to click on the Options tab, or sometimes it's called PHP Options. This is where you have control over various PHP settings, including memory limits and execution times. It might look a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. You'll see options like memory limit, upload max file size, and max execution time. Click on each of these to adjust the limits according to your website's requirements. For instance, you might want to set the memory limit to 512 MB or adjust the max file size for uploads to 128 MB. It all depends on the needs of your site and how resource intensive it is. One of the convenient features of this interface is that any changes you make are saved automatically. There's no need to restart the server or worry about losing your adjustments. Everything is handled seamlessly in the background. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully edited your PHP version and limits on A2 hosting. This helps ensure your website runs smoothly and efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching and happy hosting.